Hello friends, nice to have you back at the littleGasthaus, the German sausage maker. Today we make some gyro sausage, some gyro brats, and let's see how that works. The back fat and the pork bag. Okay, first I'm gonna remove some parts of it. Okay. Well, cut it a little piece quick so we can put some spices on there later. Has to go in the freezer for 2 or 3 hours. Almost no fat. Okay, I'm going to put that in the freezer. See, there's some skin on there. Of course, we don't want that. Always make sure you got a sharp knife. Oh, maybe I should make little small blocks. Okay, so now this both goes in the freezer for a while. I will cover it with plastic foil so it's not drying out. Okay, stuff the filler. Little less than 4 pounds. 4 pounds of meat. And the filler will hold 5 pounds. So that looks pretty good. This is the casing. Okay, I had the casing in lukewarm water for a while, so it makes it more soft and flexible. Okay, I got the meat all the way to the front of the pipe. Gonna make a knot. I mean, not telling you something new. This is how you always do it. Oh, see, that's what I was afraid of, because it's not very soft. So, okay, that's what we get out of it. It popped a couple times because the meat was too stiff, so I should have put more water in there to make it more gooey and more soft to get it into the casing. Actually, this casing is only 20 millimeter, so the pipe I used was only 20 millimeters, so it was very tight on there. And soon, if it hangs, if the casing sticks to the horn, to the pipe, it will break because the pressure just gets too high. Okay, now I have to separate the sausages and make little single ones. That's what I'm going to do now. And this is the final product, gyro sausage. And the gyro is some Greek specialty, usually pork meat, what's special spices put in there, so it has a unique taste. But you have to use a little bigger diameter than what I'm using. So go for the 24, 26 millimeter, and that's much better for filling, and just make the meat a little thinner, a little more gooey, so it will go easy into the casing without popping all the time. And of course, I want to taste one. You got here one of the small ones, and excuse me. Very unique taste. This would be great as a breakfast sausage. I'm sure you will love it. So you have to try it, and let me know how it went. Give me a comment. Subscribe to the littleGasthaus so you don't miss any of the next videos coming up. Thanks for watching, and till the next time. Bye bye.